Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the December Moongate update. Season's greetings, happy holidays, and welcome to a walkthrough of the property to show our progress on the last month. We're standing in the main lobby building, which has made great progress since I last spoke with you. All the roof framing is finished, and today we'll be casting the ring beam, which will allow us to continue the close boarding. I'm currently standing in the main reception area of the building. The large chandelier will be hanging above my head, and then behind me is the location for the piano bar. So standing here in front of building 7, looking back, you can see that the tiles are finished on 7. And the men from IMCP are actually working on finishing the tiles on block 6. So when we break on Friday for the holidays, we'll have all 7 accommodation buildings completely roofed. We're also casting the ring beam on the big retaining wall in the public areas, and we'll be casting the kitchen floor on Wednesday. So thank you everyone, to all our investors, all our supporters, and all those who've encouraged us over the construction of this project. Particularly all of you who have made a commitment to the development as buyers. Thank you from all of us. Happy holidays and Happy New Year when it comes.